Hi, this is Scott Parrott. I just picked up a new WordPress plugin from George Katsotos called 1 Minute wplaucher. And basically what it does is it allows you to launch a WordPress blog faster by giving you the most common settings that you'd use in just one screen. For example, you can install multiple plugins, themes, add categories, add legal pages, create new posts, pages, and there's also a one-click button that says just apply all these settings. I've tried a couple of these and some of them have been difficult in the past, and this one looks really easy to use, and I just uploaded the plugin, and you're looking at the screen now. It goes to this blog, making candy. I have one post, and I was gonna give it a quick run through and see how it works. Before we get started, I did take a quick look at this. Number one, there were absolutely no instructions, and that was done by George on purpose because he says nobody reads the instructions, and he wanted the plugin to be intuitive. So unless you're a brand new WordPress user, you know that you can upload this plugin via FTP or directly through the WordPress. I'm not going to get into that. The plugin is loaded and ready to go. So what you have is I can get rid of the sample posts and all the garbage stuff that automatically comes on WordPress. The same thing with the widgets in the sidebar. I can delete all widgets, so I basically have a fresh theme to deal with. What's nice here is I can add plugins that I want installed on the blog. I can add the URL to plugins, and it'll go and grab the plugins. For instance, there's a help file that tells me I can drag and drop, or I can go and grab some URLs such as some of these. In fact, I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to grab all-in-one SEO, copy that. I think I'm going to get one more. I'm going to get the sitemap generator. Oops. And if you decide to grab this plugin, what would be something that's going to be nice for you to do is to set up a folder with all the plugins and themes. For instance, let's see, I've got some themes that I don't even know what these look like. I just got them. Let's take and drag them. Where would I put them? I guess I would put them right here. Yep. We'll put that away. And I also have some plugins that I put in a folder. An auto tube and an opt-in and a squeeze page plugin, and you can drag them one at a time, or you can just select. I can see the area is highlighted. Let's see what we need to do. These were buried. Basically, I'm going to have to do this one at a time. Let's see if this one works. Okay, I had just created this folder, and I had to unpack these plugins so that they get down to the there was a double zip file basically. Anyway, they are loaded, and you can see them here. Same thing with the themes. I can select a theme, let's go to the top. I'm going to get rid of anything if there was anything up here. I'm going to clean out my I'm going to leave the recent post and recent comments in the sidebar. I've selected this theme. I have no idea what it looks like. And I'm going to install these 3 plugins plus these 2. I'm going to change the blog title to Making Candy. I really know nothing about making candy. Excuse me. And I'm going to create a new category called candy recipes. I will add that. And I want to keep this the permalink structure to post name, and I don't need to be notified when somebody makes a comment. And the front page will have my latest post. We'll leave it at that. I don't know how that's going to work with this theme. And extra pages. I'm not sure exactly how. I probably have to go back in and edit those. But I'm going to create those pages because I don't have them yet. And let's see what else. Okay. Now what I can do is create a quick post if I want from this area too. And I pull up this recipe for butterscotch drops. Candy recipe, butterscotch. It's going to be a post, and I'm going to put it in the new category I made. And I'm going to publish the post. I wonder what happens if I hit now. Oh, it just dates it, okay. And I suppose I should show you what I'm doing. This is just the recipe. I think I'm going to do this in HTML. Okay, create poster page. Well, that's it. Okay, so I got rid of my posts and pages I didn't want. I cleaned up the sidebar. I activated a new theme. I installed new themes. I activated a new theme, and I added some plugins. Changed the title, blog description. I created another category. I want the post I want the first page to display the latest post. Then I created a quick candy recipe, so we can go and take a look and see what it looks like. This was the original blog, and I'll refresh that and see what it looks like. I have no idea. Oh, there we are. Butterscotch drops. This is the blog post category. Archives. Now, if I wanted to, let's go back Okay, what I did was I actually wanted to keep the recent posts and recent comments, and there's no way to undo that. I wanted to get rid of the meta information and archives, and we'll do that. I have to go back into the widget area to put these back, I assume. Let's take a quick look at the plugins. Yep, there's WP AutoTube. And let's take a look at the post. All post. Let's edit this one. Let's put a video in. Butterscotch candy. We'll put a video in between and center it. There's the video, and all we have on the sidebar is categories. So pretty cool way. I could see this being a big help and saving an awful lot of time in getting your blog set up quickly.